Alright. From here on out, we're going to be doing originals. And you guys are really into this, man. Thank you.
That makes us feel really good. Thank you very much.
It's been a good night. It's been a very good night. Alright, this song is about a dear friend of ours. It's an original. Don't worry about it. That's nobody's business, but ours. It's called, we'll call it Women Mess Men's Things Up. We mess our stuff up, but we still love you for some reason. Time when she was mine, I had a band, everything was fine. My life seemed good and I didn't need anything. And then she said, you're not the one.
Hey, be nice!
And then my friends don't want to see. I'd rather be cool, but I can't believe what I see. My friends are on the rebound. They are what my girl, she messed it up for all of us. My girl don't care how I was. Why did I ever roll with you? I know she's fine, I guess she's back. But all I really want is my homies back. I've been replaced by that little girl. We'll never be together anymore. I need them, lady love. They forgot about the love, but she don't care about what you do. My friends are on the rebound. They are my girl, she must be wrong. My girl don't care. Why did I ever roll with you? I know she's fine, I guess she's back. But all I really want is my homies. Joey Castellano over there on the drum. Fox on the trumpet. Bill Logan on the sax. And we got Tony Rosen on the sax. Come on, everybody. Come on, everybody. My friends are on the rebound. Everybody go. They are what my girls pretty much do all along. Yeah, why did I ever roll with you? I know she's fine, I guess she's